What's up, guys? We're going to go ahead and take a look at Zone Alarm Free Antivirus 2024. This is what it looks like here once you install it. I will post a link on the description of the video for the free download. It's at zonealarm.com/software/free-antivirus. But I will post a link on the description of the video. Once you install it, this is what it looks like here. And of course, this is the free edition, so you're not going to be able to use web secure or hacking protection. All you get is the firewall and the antivirus. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what PC Magazine had to say about it. They only did 2.0 out of 5.0. 2 out of 5 is what they gave it in rating. They say the bottom line is Checkpoint's Zone Alarm Free Antivirus Next Gen brings a long-awaited user interface upgrade. The user interface is pretty user-friendly, but under the hood it's disappointing. So it's pretty user-friendly. If you take a look at it here, it's really easy to use. You can just start scanning right off the bat. Boom. We'll let it scan for now. And the pros, it's antivirus based on Checkpoint's enterprise security. So Checkpoint's enterprise security is one of the best out there. Unique, effective phishing. So it does protect you against phishing. It's free. The cons, it's application control temporarily absent. Poor malware protection test scores. We're going to take a look at those scores. No antivirus lab results. They haven't done a lab result here on PC Magazine. No protection against dangerous websites. It is missing a lot, guys. You're only going to be getting a firewall and an antivirus. Don't expect more. This is the free edition. But it does have on-demand malware scan, on-access malware scan. Does not have website rating. Does not have malicious URL blocking. Now, some free antivirus programs do have malicious URL blocking, but this one doesn't. It will protect against phishing. It does have behavior-based detection. It does not have a vulnerability scanner, but it does have a firewall. We're going to take a look at the lab results here and see why. Yeah, that's bad, guys. Malware protection test, 6.8 out of 10. Look at that, 6.8. What's crazy is the paid version scored a 9.8. So could it be that the free edition, they kind of watered it down? You would think the free edition would have the same antivirus potential, right? But no, it's 6.8 with 76% detection rate and 63% malicious URL blocking. That's bad, guys. That is really, really bad. I don't know what to say. It's pretty bad. It looks like it's running a scan. Where is it? I minimized it, but I don't know where it went. Where did it go? I don't see it. I minimized the scan, but I can't see it. Huh. Oh, there it is. You got to click right here. View running scan. My bad, guys. All right, so there it is. It's already at 36%. That's not bad. It's pretty fast. Depending on your computer, how fast it is, how many files you have, it might run slower. Let's take a look at the firewall. So it does protect you against snoopers and attacks. That's on. Two-way firewall. It's got application control per protection. And right here are the rules and settings. You could change it here. This is more for advanced users here. I recommend just keep it default. If you want to be paranoid, you could turn this up to high and it'll really protect you. However, it might block some stuff. That some websites that you usually frequent, it might block them for no reason. If that happens, just bring it back to medium right here. All right, guys. You could look at a log here. There's no events right now, but you can see what it's been blocking. It does have application control, and it enables you to allow or block applications for connecting to the internet. And here you can change the application permissions. You can click on one and then block or terminate process. Really cool stuff if you want to manually go in there and do that. And it does have anti-bot, blocks malicious communication, and stops bot threats. That's not bad for a free antivirus, guys. The antivirus does file reputation, real-time protection. And it does have real-time protection. I don't know why PC Magazine said it doesn't have real-time protection. If you look at the cons, let's look over here. Behavior based. Oh wait, it does have it. Okay. Application control. Okay, it does have it. Okay, that's good. Real-time protection. You want that, guys. It's a free antivirus and it gives you real-time protection. That's good. It's got behavior guard. That's good. You can look at your quarantine items here. You can make exceptions here if you want to add a certain program to add exceptions. You can do scheduled scans. On a free edition, sometimes they don't have scheduled scan, but this one does. That's good. You can come in here and schedule a scan. So for the free edition, it's not bad. The only thing that worries me about this Zone Alarm free edition is that test result. I don't get why it's giving us a 6.8. Where is it? Yeah, right here. 6.8 out of 10 on the free edition. When on the paid version, it was 9.8. That's crazy. Why would they water it down? I don't know. But anyway, that's bad. That is. I see why they gave it a 2 out of 5. I'm gonna also give it a 2 out of 5. Let's be fair. Let's give it a 3 out of 5. Zone Alarm is really good for a free antivirus program. That's not bad. I mean, 6.8 detection rate is pretty bad though, guys. But it's free. I mean, you get what you pay for at the end of the day, right, guys? So 3 out of 5. It will protect you. 7. What was it? It'll protect you from how many viruses? The detection rate was 76%. Some people might not like that. If you want 100%, we're going to have to go in Norton. We're going to have to review that one soon, guys. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It's something. If you guys just need something real quick and it's free, you want something for, if the budget's a problem, it could work, but it's pretty bad detection rate. It'll protect you, but not from everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video.